This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rami Salem. Ready move-in 3-bedroom/2-bath home built in 2014 in nice small Forest Creek cluster located off Northwest 39th Avenue. Nice open floor plan with laminate wood floors that overlooks large kitchen with wood cabinets and granite countertops. Master bedroom is spacious and bathroom features dual sinks, granite counters and walk-in closet. Nice covered patio in back with large fenced backyard that backs up to woods/common area. Attached 2-car garage for added storage. Convenient location close to shopping, restaurants, downtown, University of Florida, Santa Fe College and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Rami Salem at 352-494-8